Confidence is everything because I may be talented, but no confidence, I can't even exhibit my talent. And soft skills, as per the study, 85% of our success and rising in corporate ladder or in our career depends on soft skills. And only 15% technical skills matter, as per study done in Harvard University. And that's what today's guest is specializing on and in. So let's welcome Sumedha Tyagi,
Dr. Sumedha Tyagi.
ma'am. Yes, Dr. Sumedha Tyagi. I'm so happy and I'm proud to be sitting in front of you, and I'm proud to be your student. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming.
I am equally happy. Thank you so much to you as well.
There's so much to learn from you, but what makes you you?
What makes me me? Just being me, not pretending, not putting on.
I love this
That's
answer.
what is me.
You know, when they say being me, being yourself is so powerful, and it's a divine reminder that in this world where everything is attracting us and we tend to fall, want to be some like someone, talk like someone, dress like someone, and whatnot. So it's a divine reminder. Thank you, ma'am. What are your top three values?
Uh, Honesty,
Oh,
integrity, compassion.
amazing. Okay. Now there will be people who will say, why honesty as your top value? How to be honest always in this difficult world? And you know, how can we remain honest in all situations, whether home or office?
When you speak your heart out, now, be honest.
Great. So, speaking our heart out is peace. Great. So, how do you increase confidence? Because it is so difficult. You have your own
Mm,
fears, fear of competency. Can I do good interviews? And fear of, some low self esteem. She is Dr. Sumedha Tyagi. I am not Dr. Sunny Nagpal. So, how do I remain confident?
my smile makes you confident.
Anji?
My smile, that gives you the
Smile
confidence.
makes us confident. Yes. That's the magic.
I connect to
So,
people through my smile.
yes. Ma'am, can you
I
speak?
connect to people.
Yeah. Can
I
you speak a
connect to
little louder?
people with
Connecting to
affection.
people with smiles and making others smile is one way to feel
Absolutely.
confident, to invoke confidence. Beautiful. How can we make children confident?
Just let them be themselves. Don't
Wow.
impose.
Yes. We have become imposters and imposers. So, no
Yes.
more
No,
imposing.
let them express
What is the secret of your smile?
uh, the confidence given by my parents.
So confidence and smile is vice versa, directly proportional. Smile brings confidence and confidence brings smile. Great. So how do
Absolutely.
we, yeah,
Absolutely.
okay. How do we happy in all situations? Because we all have ups and downs, so much of worry, tension, past and whatnot. So how do you be happy in all situations?
See, there are times when everybody is sad, you know. ऐसा तो नहीं है. हर कोई कभी ना कभी तो होता ही है ना. There are times, but you need to get out of it, you know. Otherwise, you go into that mode. You need to push yourself. Think of the good things, the positive side. Think of the people who care for you, who love you, and that's how you do that.
A super support system around. Aha friends, aha family, and talk to them. Hey, Right now I'm not okay. If you like, you help. Otherwise, I'll go to my advisor and mentor to feel better and to pour out and to vomit and then feel little more better. That is so simple. Great. What are your happiest moments?
My happiest moments. Um when I'm with my people, as in my family, that is the best part.
Amazing. Number two, other happy moments.
Um, when I'm with myself.
That's a beautiful balance. Self smart and people smart. Interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills.
Plus, when I am with people as well, that makes me happy.
Beautiful. So
People,
family, self, and people, because whole world is my family. That's so beautifully put. Keep serving, keep loving, keep caring, keep sharing. Amazing. So, what is life in one word?
life in one word is very difficult.
The answer is difficult or life is difficult?
No, not life, the answer.
Okay,
It's always
Sumedha,
beautiful.
beautiful. Sumedha in one word.
Um, simple.
Amazing. And you made the whole interview truly simple. And I want to thank you with all my heart for making it easy and simple, for laughing, smiling, making it so special. Thank you
It's
so
all
much
because of
and wish
you.
you a lot of power. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am. Wish you a lot of power and you keep shining bright so that you are light for millions. And which you are.
More to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sunny. Thanks a lot.